battalion oversaw the completion of my training and made good on his promise. As part of the 14th, I'd soon have all the blood I could ever want.
The island of Britannia, that fetid lair at the edge of our empire, was home to the bastards that had slaughtered my family and led the very rebellion which had spewed onto the streets of Rome. My posting with the 14th would take us to these isles, where I would wreak my revenge, crushing this insurrection. Sorry, my friend.
We don't take out that chain tower, our entire fleet will be destroyed. Come on. Let's gather what's left of the 14th and take down that chain tower.
Down there! Get them! Fire! Ah!
Got one!
archers are dead. Now move out! With me! There are still men left to save! Yes, Marius.
Didn't expect that, did you, Roman?
Crush his skull. Run while you can.
Keep searching for survivors. I'll deal with them.
Surrender or
Our fleet is destroyed. The beach is in enemy hands. Our men lay dying in the water. We must fall back now.
Centurion?
Dead! Dead! He must be dead! Should we fall back? Do we have a rally point?
I don't know! Did anyone expect this?
The auspices were good. The auspices were good.
Hold until I give the word. With me, lads! To the tower!
Listen to him! If it wasn't for Marius, we'd all be dead!
Retreat! Fall back!
Forward, men! We're almost at the tower!
To the tower!
Formation!
By the right!
Men!
Close in!
Shields!
Grip!
Hold fast! Shields, men! Soldiers! Hold!
By the right!
Shields
Steady
now!
up, lads!
Hold! Steady shields! Hold! Hold!
Fall back! Fall
Shields!
Break, lads! Break!
We're gonna take out that tower, men! Let's move! You men! Raise the counterweight! I'll go up and release the chain lock.
Stop that chain! Kill him if he gets in the way!
Come on!
find out! Stop it!
Archers!
All you can!
Die, Roman! Die! Counterweight in position!
Release! Attention, lads! The brave man tastes death once. Cowards, 1,000 times over. Now we have already spilled barbarian blood. And we know they bleed as we do. Ready! On me! Move!
Gods!
Advance! got to hold this barricade until our archers get here. Legionaries! Form a line! Come on, lads! Let's take this fort! Move! Move! Move!
Point defense is in position!
Archers! Watch out! Yeah! Archers! Archers to the rooftops! Darius, flank them to the right. Take the warfare position on our left. What's your course? Kill them all! Come on, men!
Use the barrels for cover!
Forward! To the wall!
Cover the bridge mechanism! Don't let him cross!
Yeah! Kill him! Kill him before he breaks down the bridge!
Follow me. Come on.
Your father was a man of the people, Marius. It's an honor to serve with his kin.
Up the stairs! Go!
This way.
Capture the catapult. Aim it on the tower. Signal when you're ready. We'll hold the bastards back. Understood. On the catapults!
Dover belongs to the Britons now, Romans! Kiss me! Surrender! Taste the steel!
Catapult! Stop him!
Commander Battalion!
Many good officers and men were lost today. Marius, you have proved that you can lead. You have earned the respect of the men. So, take this helmet and put it on.
Legionaries! Salute your new Centurion! All right, settle down!
Settle down, lads.
Now, you know what you can expect from these barbarians. They are a race of rabid bastards who will fight us tooth and nail.
But they don't know what they are up against.
Rome is civilization. Rome is order. Rome is power. And out here, we are Rome!
Commander, King Oswald's barbarian army is advancing on York. General Commodus and the 6th Cohort engaged the enemy, but their fate is unknown.
Secure the remaining boats and get them unloaded, and prepare the men.
We march for York!
Our march